सो हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। एंड आपको टाइटल देखे तो पता ही चल गया होगा कि मैं आज क्या करने वाली हूँ। तो मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम में एक स्टोरी डाला था कि आप लोग मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछो एंड आई एम गोना आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इन माय यूट्यूब वीडियो। एंड while doing this makeup look which I have created today, I hope you guys like it. And if you wanna continue watching this video, then let's get started. So hi guys, I tied my hair up now and I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I'll just prep my face a little bit and then I'll start with all the questions which you have given me on my Instagram. So sorry, I have a really bad pimple. I tried to do my skincare before that, but it's not going at all. So please ignore it. So now first I'm gonna start with my moisturizer, and this is my Lakme moisturizer which I'm gonna use for the prepping. So yeah. This pimple has become really bad. It's hurting as well. So I'm very sad about it because I wanted like a clear skin for this video, especially because I was really excited. But then it's fine, it's okay. And now I'm gonna go for my first Sari liquid glass, which I'm gonna put first after the moisturizer. I'm just gonna take a little bit and then just put on my cheeks. So I hope you can see that glass effect. I don't know, I'm not sure because I'm not wearing my specs. So I think because the light is coming, I think this is there, the glass effect is there a little bit. And now then I'm gonna go into my Smashbox, the photo finish primer, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on my middle finger. You have to just take a little bit, and wherever you have like the open pores, first just don't apply directly. I think you should warm it up a little bit. Just warm it up, mix it with both your fingers properly, and then little bit apply it on your nose and on your cheeks or wherever you have your pores. So I have it on my cheeks a little bit here where I have my pimple, because that's where I get all my pimples और सब मुझे वहीं पे ही होता है, मेरे cheeks पे, इस part of cheek पे, और a little bit on my nose. तो मैं ये थोड़ा सा ये nose पे लगाऊंगी और बाकी मैं अपने cheeks पे लगाऊंगी जहाँ मेरे open pores है. एंड मैं फिर अपने नोज पे भी से लगा दूंगी. You should massage it really well जिससे वो पूरा अंदर चल जाए. And it's actually very nice. It just blurs out everything, all my pores. So I really like this primer. You can also buy it. It's very nice. मैंने अभी नया बैकग्राउंड किया है and I think I hope you guys also like it. मेरा कैंडल and I love plants और ये मेरा lights, so I think it looks nice. So I'll just look this myself into the mirror and see अगर वो अच्छे से हो गया है कि नहीं. So I think हाँ अब अच्छे से पूरा हो चुका है. I can like just see that my pores are closed now, so I'm still happy about it. Yeah, so before I start with doing my concealer, I'm gonna read out the first question. Nandini, can you start making vlogs? Yeah, I will surely start making vlogs because I have some plans of vlogs which I want to do. And इतना कुछ है नहीं करने को because घर पे ही बैठे हुए हैं यार. Like we are not doing, it's lockdown. I live in Hyderabad, so अभी वो पहले 9 I think सुबह 7 o'clock से हो रहा था स्टार्ट लॉकडाउन आई थिंक, और 10 o'clock ख़त्म हो रहा था और अब फिर से स्टार्ट हो चुका है. अब पर थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड हो चुका है टाइम, फ्रॉम आई थिंक 7 to 2 लॉकडाउन हो गया. और घर बैठे बैठे क्या है, बाहर तो कोविड है तो जाते ही नहीं है. So I will surely try. I'm thinking I have some ideas. So I'm going to surely start making some vlogs. So now I'm just going to jump first into my concealer, the LA Girl concealer, which I'm going to put under my eyes to, conceal my dark circles. So now I'm gonna start concealing my face. You just always have to dab it. I feel it's more nice if you just dab it properly. And so while I'm doing, I'll just read one more question. And the next question which I have is, what do you enjoy more, posting stories or watching stories? I enjoy posting stories also. It's not like I don't like posting stories. It's just that I like watching more stories, but मैं सबकी stories नहीं देखती. मैं बहुत जो मुझे लोग अच्छे लगते हैं और मैं मोस्टली उनकी स्टोरी देखती हूँ. मैं सबके बैठ के देखती हूँ. जो भाई मुझे 2-3 लोग हैं विच आई फॉलो, whom I follow, सो मैं उनके ही देखती हूँ बैठ के. एंड आई इन्जॉय, एंड मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपनी स्टोरीज पोस्ट करना भी अच्छा लगता है. बट देन इफ आई हैव अ चॉइस फ्रॉम लाइक चूजिंग, आई विल लव टू लाइक यू नो वॉच स्टोरीज. एंड मुझे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन देना होता है, दैट टाइम आई थिंक आई अपलोड स्टोरी, जैसे मैंने अभी इसके लिए किया था फॉर माई क्वेश्चंस. So that time I like posting, obviously, because it's my work, I have to do it. And yeah, and I'm just giving you a tip that whenever you have like acne and which hurts like a proper pimple, when you do it, just dab it a little bit. Don't press it a little bit, because just do it with soft hands, so it conceals it also and it doesn't make you like hurt or तुम्हें दर्द ना हो. तो उसको धीरे धीरे ही करना, उसको ऐसे 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 मत करना, बहुत धीरे धीरे. You have to dab it like that, not too much. So I think it gets concealed properly. And yeah, so I think you hope you got your answer that I like watching stories more. And now I'm gonna go for my foundation, the Fit Me foundation. You guys already know, I think, till now that मुझे यही अच्छा लगता है right now at least. And I don't even have a lot of foundations right now because I have just started makeup. तो अभी मैं भी सीख रही हूँ, अभी भी मैं भी स्टार्टिंग है मेरे लिए भी, तो टाइम लगता है. धीरे धीरे मैं भी आ जाएंगे. मैंने अभी भी ऑर्डर किया है, कल बैठ के मैंने ऑर्डर किया, मेरा मन कर रहा था. मैं थोड़े से प्रोडक्ट्स और ऑर्डर किए क्योंकि मैं एवरी मंथ लेती हूँ. आई ऑर्डर एवरी मंथ थोड़े से प्रोडक्ट्स, जिससे मेरे पास थोड़ा हो स्टॉक और मैं अच्छे से कर पाऊँ अपनी वीडियोस या जो भी मैं करना चाह रही हूँ. सो थोड़ा सा मैं अपना बढ़ा रही हूँ कलेक्शन ऑफ मेकअप. बट आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट माई हेयर बैक और ख़राब हो जाएगा मेरे बाल. एंड आई जस्ट लाइक, सम पीपल पूरा ऐसे करके लगा देते हैं, दे डू इट. आई डोंट लाइक इट लाइक दैट. आई जस्ट लाइक टू पुट सम डॉट्स एंड फिर मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ. मैं फोरहेड पे नहीं लगाती ज़्यादा, बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड दैट, क्योंकि आपका ये ऑयली एरिया होता है, स्पेशली आई हैव अ ऑयली स्किन. सो मैं थोड़ा 1-2 ही लगाती हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लगाती, जिससे मेरा स्किन ज़्यादा ऑयली ना लगे और अजीब सा नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, हमारे एक्सप्रेशंस चेंज होते हैं. सो आई फील इट्स नॉट दैट गुड. नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोना स्टार्ट ब्लेंडिंग इट. आज मैं थोड़ा डिफरेंट मेकअप लुक सोच रही हूँ करने का, and which I've never done till now. It's something which I'm trying new, so I hope it turns out good. Fingers crossed. I really want it because I think I have seen this makeup look and I feel it will look really nice if I do it. And with that, I'll go to my next question. And my next question is, what could you talk for 30 minutes about with absolute no preparation makeup? अब मैं आपसे बात ही कर रही हूँ, मेरा कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं है, मैंने कुछ तैयारी नहीं की है, बस जो मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ, व्हाट आर माई थॉट्स, आई जस्ट कन्वेट. आई डोंट प्रिपेयर एनीथिंग कि मैं ये बोलूँगी. हाँ, थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ जैसे मैं पॉइंटर्स लिख लेती हूँ, बट मेकअप ऐसी चीज़ है कि मुझे प्रिपेयर करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है उसके लिए. वो मेरे क्या बोलते हैं, खुद से ही अंदर से आता है, और जितना मुझे पता है एंड आई लव डूइंग इट. सो आई थिंक हो जाता है. आई थिंक मेकअप लवर्स एंड यू नो who know a lot about makeup, I think though they don't need to like prepare themselves to speak about it, I think. And that's who I am. I don't need to कि अरे मैं अच्छा ये बोलूँगी, ये नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं बस प्रिपेयर करती हूँ और जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है वो मैं कट कर देती हूँ. सो मुझे ऐसे प्रिपेयर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है और मैं 30 मिनट से कंटिन्यूस बोल सकती हूँ क्योंकि आई एम अ वेरी टॉकेटिव पर्सन. बस मुझे बुला लो, जैसे मैं अभी चपड़ 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 करती रहती हूँ. तो या एंड मुझे बहुत मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो पे बहुत हुआ, प्रीवियस वीडियो पे बहुत वो भी आया है कि आप बहुत अच्छा जो मैंने एक्सेंट निकाला था कि अरे मेरे पापा जी, और ऐसे करके मैं अजीब तरीके से बोल रही थी. बहुत लोगों को अच्छी लगी है वो वीडियो क्योंकि सब लोग हंस रहे थे एंड वो लाइक इट्स वेरी नाइस. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट ऑल्सो. And yeah, I hope you got your answer, that it's a makeup that I can talk about for 30 minutes without preparation at all. And I'm just now gonna use a lighter concealer. It's my Fit Me lighter in the shade Light. I'm gonna just use it a little bit to lighten up my eyes. I think some people like it, some people don't, and I think I like to do it, so I'll just use it a little bit on my inner corners. Not much, just a little bit. And I'll just do it. I think ये मैं लगा दी तो मेरा आँख थोड़ा ब्राइटन अप हो जाता है and I know I feel it looks more nice. So I think you guys should try it once. Like it's your own choice. There's no nothing like that. But then you can just try it if you want once. And yeah, so now I am gonna go and use my Light 15 Light Fit Me loose powder, which I really like, so you should also try it. And before I do, I'm gonna go for the next question which I have, and the next question is, who would you say is your number one beauty and fashion inspiration? That's a really nice question actually. My I don't have a fashion inspiration actually. I like to do my own thing, what I like. I don't follow anyone for like fashion, but then yeah, obviously I follow one for beauty and who gives me a lot of inspiration. And especially I think because of that influencer, I have started doing YouTube videos. I had it in mind from before, but then उसको देख के मुझे बहुत इंस्पिरेशन हुआ है कि मुझे करना चाहिए. And I think I have the ability to show what my passion is and show it out. And that is Malvika Satlani. She's also a very nice content creator, and I think some of the people would know her. And I think I really like her, and the way she talks and the way she is, like how she presents herself, it's like very nice. And मैं उसको ही देख के कि अच्छा ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, ये सब जो भी मेरे पास है अभी, आई थिंक उसको देख के मैंने थोड़ा सीखा है कि ओ माई गॉड ये होता है. एंड शुड नेवर गिव अप. अगर आपको व्यूज़ भी कम आ रहे हैं या इफ़ यू हैव हेट कमेंट्स और इफ देयर आर डिसलाइक्स, नॉट गेट अपसेट अबाउट इट. हमें अगर आपको एकदम से, आप ऑब्वियसली 1 लाख तक आपको आएंगे नहीं जब तक आपकी वीडियो वायरल नहीं जाएगी. तो कीप पुटिंग एफर्ट्स. एक ना एक दिन आपको मतलब आप अपनी मंजिल पे पहुंच जाएंगे एंड यू कैन रीच योर गोल. And yeah, that's what I've learned, and she's like my makeup guru and she does such amazing. And this look what I'm gonna do also, I saw in one of her videos and I think it's really nice. So yeah, so now I have baked my face, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go and do my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm gonna take this Revolution palette, and in the shade red, I'm gonna take this red color. This is the red color which I'm gonna take. This is the palette and this is a red color, very light. I don't want it to harsh. So I'm going to take this Nykaa brush and just take it a little bit, just remove the excess and then just apply it and just blend it out with the blending. So मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया. I'm just gonna take the blending brush and it's from PAC. This brush from PAC 203. I'm just gonna blend it out and make it a little light. I don't want it too dark. I don't want my eyes dark. I'm gonna do like a darker shading of my lips. But yeah, I think a little bit light I want this time for my eyes to be. And maybe I'm not like so good at makeup, but I think I'm pretty average at least at it, I can say, and I'm still learning. So it's not something that I'm teaching or anything. I'm just trying. Yeah, I think I'm done with my eyes. I'm not gonna do too much this time. Like really light eyes I want. So with that, I'm gonna go to my next question which I have. And the next question is, which mobile do you actually use for shooting videos or clicking pictures? Actually, I have this iPhone SE which I shoot all my videos in, the new one. I shoot all my videos in this. I just don't edit in this obviously, but मैं अपनी सारी videos इस पे shoot करती हूँ. I click pictures or I just click pictures from my mom's phone. So हाँ, जो भी मुझे बेस्ट लगता है I think मैं उस पर ही करती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं पहले सोचा था इस पर, but no, if I just transfer everything to this, it just my videos come full blur. I have tried it for my makeup account and it came out really bad. So now I'm just gonna remove the bake from this brush. This is from the Wet n Wild blush brush, but I'm just gonna use it to remove my bake. So now I'm going for my next question again, and the next question is, has social media made your life better and how? Yes, social media has obviously made my life better, but it is just that I'll continue with my answer. I'll use this Maybelline Fit Me blush, which is in the shade Nude Peach. Yeah, so I was telling that I love social media and it has made my life better, because अगर मेरे पास सोशल मीडिया नहीं होता तो शायद मैं अपना ये सब जो मैं करती हूँ and like posting stories, it's not actually about posting stories but about content, about how my passion is for makeup and other things as well. I won't be able to show it to people, and I won't be able to show how much what do you call I forgot the potential I have to pursue this. And yeah, I think I'm really grateful that social media has come into my life to make my life better. And yeah, I think it has changed my life in a good form, and obviously social media has its own bad things too. It's very addicting, that is also true, I won't disagree to it. But yeah, I think it's pretty nice for me and it was worked out. And yeah, so I'm done with my blush. I didn't put a lot, I think, so I'm gonna just go a little bit, not too much because it's really pigmented. This is the K Beauty Coral Charm, and it's very pigmented, so I'm gonna take very light. This is the shade which I'm gonna use. It's very like, see, I think you can just see it, just the way I just applied it, it just came too much. So I want to give you a tip about makeup also, that never apply it like this. Always apply it like in this, like from a cheek to your temples. You always have to apply, and just dab it. Don't do ऐसे करके, dab करके लगाओगे तो I feel it looks more nice. And yeah, और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका थोड़ा ओवर हो गया, जैसे मुझे इस लग रहा है इस वाले का हो गया है, so what you can do, you can just take your beauty blender and just blend it out a little bit. थोड़ा कम लगे, जिससे ओवर नहीं लगना चाहिए कभी भी कुछ भी, वरना ओवर हर चीज़ गंदी होती है. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस की तरह हम जोकिंग. या मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें से ही लेके अपने नोज पे भी लगा दूँगी. Next, I'll go with my next question which I have, and the next question which I have is, use cinematic shots with beautiful music, you can grow your YouTube ASAP. Thank you for this thing which you told me. Yeah, I will try my best to use cinematic shots, and thank you for a small tip. And we'll go to the next question now because it's still not complete. And it's not exactly, it's a small tip. So next question is, yeah, does your mood affect your behavior on social media? That's a very very nice question that happens to most of the people, I feel, from my perspective, which I have seen. So yeah, थोड़ा फ़र्क तो I feel पड़ता है, because I feel कि अगर जैसे मेरा भी अभी मूड इतना अच्छा नहीं था, बिकॉज माई स्टमक वॉज हर्टिंग अ लिटिल बिट, सो आई वाज लाइक कि मन नहीं हो रहा है, एंड होता है कभी कभी यू डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग इट, और वो दिख जाता है. बट देन आई फील if you have to do something, I have to shoot my video. I don't have a like, you know, I have to, it's something which I want to pursue, and efforts आपको दिखाने पड़ेंगे, और आपको अपने इमोशंस थोड़ी देर के लिए पुल बैक कर लेना चाहिए. आई फील इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग विद द होल हार्ट, ऑब्वियसली अगर ज़्यादा आपका मूड ख़राब है तो वो आपकी कैमरा पे दिख जाता है, बिकॉज यू नो कैमरा कैचेज एवरीथिंग. सो हाँ, होता है मूड ख़राब, एंड it's just like how you make your mood nice. I think when I just come in front of the camp, my mood becomes nice. So I'm perfectly fine now, and my mood is really amazing. So yeah, obviously it affects your mood very very badly. And now I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetics bronzer, and this is the bronzer which I'm gonna use. So yeah, so I'm now gonna start with doing my bronzing a little bit. And I also want to give a small tip for this also. It's your choice if you want to take it or no. Always don't do it till your like your lips or till here. It always should be like till here, because it starts looking bad and it looks like पूरा से line draw कर दिया. We just want a shadow here to make it look. So try कि सिर्फ आप इतना ही करो, ज़्यादा आगे ना जाओ, क्योंकि फिर वो fake लगने लग जाता है. So just like आई फील दैट्स अ गुड टिप. एंड आप हमने हमेशा ईयर से यहाँ से जाके यहाँ जाना, कभी भी ऐसे बात करें, क्योंकि पहले मैं भी वो करती थी, एंड इट्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग थिंग. यू शुड नेवर डू दैट. ऑलवेज डू इट फ्रॉम योर ईयर, लाइक दिस स्टार्टिंग ऑफ योर अपर, फ्रॉम हियर, अपर ईयर you can say. So I just do it like that, and I think it looks more nice like that. You can see it. So yeah, I'll also go with my next question with that, and there are so many questions actually. So do you plan your stories content in advance? Yes, I obviously plan my stories and my content. Obviously I think everybody do, and especially my stories. आपको तो पता होता ही है कि ना आप क्या करने वाले हो, आज मैं क्या कंटेंट यूट्यूब में करने वाली हूँ. अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम की बात करो तो हाँ, यू नो, मैं सोच लेती हूँ कि मुझे क्या बात करना है, किस टॉपिक के बारे में बोलना है, और मैं जो मुझे कन्वे करना है, इज इट गेटिंग कन्वेड इन लाइक द करेक्ट वर्ड्स विच आई एम यूजिंग. एंड ऐसा नहीं होना कि मैं कहना कुछ चाह रही हूँ और वो कुछ और तरीके में ही निकल रहा है. सो ऑब्वियसली आई प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ कि मुझे क्या बोलना है, और उसके करेक्ट वर्ड्स क्या है, कि मैं करेक्ट वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ कि मैं करेक्ट वर्ड्स यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. सो या सब लोग ही करते हैं. आई फील आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट या आई थिंक इट्स रियली नाइस टू यू नो प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ. इफ यू डूइंग नॉर्मल स्टोरीज इट्स स्टिल फाइन, बट देन हाँ, मैं तो करती हूँ एटलीस्ट. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच आई हैव is that, do you have a daily social media routine? No, I don't have a daily social media routine or anything like that. I just do my normal stuff. When I think I need to post something or anything, then I do. And it's nothing like a routine कि ओ ये है. But हाँ, मैं सोच लेती हूँ कि आज मुझे ये पोस्ट करना है, या आज मुझे ये डालना है, या कुछ भी ऐसा मैं ये सोच लेती हूँ. बट ऐसे कोई सोशल मीडिया रूटीन नहीं है मेरा कि वो आज तो हम ये डालेंगे, ये डालेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इट डिपेंड्स अबाउट वॉट वर्क आई हैव टू डू. इफ़ आई हैव टू लाइक टुडे, जैसे मुझे क्वेश्चन आंसर डालना था, तो मैं पहले से प्रिपेयर थी कल से कि नो मुझे करना है ये. एंड या वैसे तो फिर मैं वैसे रहती हूँ, बट not like proper. I feel I don't have a routine for social media, and yeah. It's always the very nice thing which I'm going to tell you is that blending is the work for makeup. if you know how to blend properly, your makeup will go really nice. And yeah, I'm done with my bronzing and contouring or everything. Next question which I have is, you said that you will do a rainbow makeup. Hope you'll do it soon with a heart. Yeah, I have that idea in my mind and I'm surely gonna do it. मेरे में अभी प्लान, अभी मेरे पास उससे पहले 2-3 चीज़ें और है. मे बी आफ्टर दैट आई विल श्योरली डू इट, बट हाँ, आई एम गोना पक्का से डू इट, डोंट वरी. And yeah, next question which I have will go, then I'll do my mascara, is I'm trying to cover all the questions. Can you post a video of a skincare routine? I don't have actually a skincare routine. इस जब मेरा मन करता है so I just do it. तो अगर आपको मेरा स्किन केयर रूटीन चाहिए, इट्स देयर ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड यू कैन वॉच दैट, बिकॉज मेरा कोई ऐसा स्किन केयर रूटीन नहीं है, मैं कभी कभी करती हूँ. सो देयर इज नो स्किन केयर रूटीन, जस्ट वॉश माई फेस एंड या आई थिंक पुट अ टोनर, that's it, or moisturizer. There's no skincare routine. And while I'm doing my mascara, I'll just go for the next question also. Your favorite dog breed and what will you name it? So my favorite dog breed, मैंने actually I love all the dogs and ऐसे में चूज़ करना मेरे लिए तो बहुत मुश्किल है कि मुझे कौन सा डॉग ब्रीड अच्छा लगता है. But then obviously I like my own dog breed, like English Cocker Spaniel. I like Shih Tzus and I love Golden Retrievers as well. I'm thinking कि मुझे एक Golden Retriever मिल जाए. So and मुझे मेल Golden Retriever चाहिए इस बार. I am thinking for a male Golden Retriever. It's nothing like oh female क्यों नहीं, but like generally because I have a female, so right now I'm thinking to I want a male. So yeah. एंड मैं उसको नेम क्या करूँगी तो अभी मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं आ रहा कि मैं उसको नेम क्या करूँगी. एंड ना मैंने कभी इसके बारे में कभी सोचा भी है कि मैं नेम क्या करूँगी. अभी जब तक आएगा नहीं तब तक मैं नेम के लिए सोच भी नहीं सकती. सो या So before I do my eyebrows, I do my eyebrows with this brush. I just ordered an eyebrow brush. I think it will come, I don't know when. So मैं अभी eyebrows करने वाली हूँ अपने mascara से. I think it is also great. It's like a trick which people do. So I'll go for my next question. Is your family supportive and encourage you to do makeup videos? It's a very nice question again. Yes, my family encourages me to do makeup videos because I feel I can do it at least a little bit how much I know, and I think I do pretty nice. And it's not like I don't know और मैं फालतू में खरीद रही. अगर कोई भी I think फालतू में तो ऐसे कुछ करके खरीदता नहीं है, और इसके फैन सपोर्ट तभी करते हैं अगर आप किसी चीज़ में अच्छे, आप किसी चीज़ में अच्छे नहीं हो तो कुछ फ़ायदा ही नहीं है. So yeah, I think my parents support me in it, I think a lot. And yeah, that's it. What else can I answer for this question? And with the next which I'm gonna do is, the next question is a reason which motivates you to make videos and edit video. It's not easy, I know it's not at all easy obviously, but as I told you, it's like I enjoy making videos. I like being in front of the camera. I like doing editing. I enjoy it. It's not something कि अरे एडिटिंग करना है, काम की तरह मुझे फील नहीं होता. मुझे अच्छा फील होता है, मैं थकती नहीं हूँ. एंड आई फील कि मैं तो ऐसी हूँ कि आई एडिट, आई शूट माई वीडियो, आई एडिट इन द सेम डे एंड आई मेक माई थंबनेल ऑल्सो इन द सेम डे. सो इट्स समथिंग आई एंजॉय अ लॉट और मुझे बर्डन फील नहीं होता है इस चीज़ के लिए. So I think if something which you enjoy and you have your passion towards, I think it's not a hard job for that person. So I feel like it's very nice and I feel I love it. And yeah, so next I will do my spray, my prime set from Smashbox. Before that, I'm gonna ask read one more question. And what are you studying right now? What do you want to pursue in future and why? what I am doing right now. I'm actually in 11th, obviously. I'm gonna take arts because studies is not my thing at all. So I'm gonna take arts. I'm gonna take psychology mostly because that's what I want to take. And in pursuit in future, I think I'm gonna do just a second, I'll just spray it a little bit on my face and then I'll just continue till that time it gets dried. So yeah, till that time it gets dried, I'll answer to your question is that I'm gonna do YouTube obviously, and mostly I'm gonna go in the acting stream, maybe, it's not sure. And because I think that is what my thing is and that's where I belong. And yeah, I enjoy being in front of the camera, I've told many times. And even I think in the what do you call in my first video also I told you people that, you know, it's something which I love. So yeah, mostly in acting stream after my, so I don't know, something happened to my camera suddenly. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna go after 11th. After 11th I'm gonna mostly go in my 11th 12th obviously, and yeah, I think college also I'm gonna start doing my acting. And obviously I'm gonna continue doing YouTube because it's something which I love. So yeah, my spray is also dried and now I'm gonna use my Masterchrome highlighter. With that, I'm gonna jump into the next question which I have, that is, so do you plan on making YouTube your career? It is maybe a little bit. I feel that agar mera chal gaya, I feel I'm gonna do it. And it's some makeup, like YouTube is something I wanna do. And maybe yeah, शायद I don't exactly know, maybe हाँ मैं उसे चाहे 1 week ही रखूँ कि every week I do, maybe not every day, because in between I'm gonna obviously start doing it a little bit regular, like 2 times a week or something like that. But अभी तो मुझे नहीं पता, I have not thought about it so well कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. And yeah, I think mostly I'm gonna choose as my career also. It can be one of the things, but right now I don't know exactly. ये पता है कि मैं करने वाली हूँ, this is for sure I'm gonna continue doing YouTube, but that is not sure that, you know, कि मैं करियर के मतलब लाइक रोज हर समय करने वाली हूँ कि नहीं, एज लाइक अ प्रॉपर करियर एंड नथिंग एल्स एक्सेप्ट यूट्यूब, दैट आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ स्टिल. So yeah, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose, my highlighter, on my lips also. I'll take this brush one and just like, you know, take the little bit of like the highlighter and just gonna do it on my brow bone because I think it looks really nice. So yeah, with my last 2 questions left, I'm gonna start my lipstick, the last thing, the one of the last questions I have. So how comfortable are your parents with everything that you do, not in a negative way? So my parents, I think, are very comfortable with what I do right now in my life, I feel. And they respect it, I feel also, that, you know, she is like, she wants to do this, so I think we should let her do what she is good at and what her passion is in. So yeah, I think there's 100%, you know, support from their side as well. And I'm gonna use this Lakme lipstick, weightless matte mousse and lip and cheek color. I don't know what shade it is. It's Rose Touch, and I'm gonna use this shade for this video today. So yeah. So I think I'm done with makeup also. So what I was saying, that yeah, they're comfortable with what I do and they respect it. So yeah, I think they're comfortable. They're not comfortable in front of the camera so much right now, but yeah, so I'm done with it. So I'll just get back to you and with my last question as well. So hi guys, this is how my look turned out. I hope you like it, with light eyes and like a bold lip color. With that, I'm gonna read the last question which I have taken out. So since when did you start doing makeup and made it as your hobby / passion? So from I think it was something from starting. When I started doing my acting career, I feel I was in love with makeup. They used to do makeup and I used to literally see, okay, what they're doing, and something I really like, I enjoy. Sometimes when I'm feeling a little low, I do makeup and I just feel like, you know, that happy smile comes on my face, and I feel very, very happy about it when I do makeup, and something which I enjoy, obviously. I've told so many times. And yeah, so I hope you're satisfied with this video, and I hope you like this video. I'm really sorry if I couldn't cover all the questions, but obviously all the questions can't come in one video, so I picked out some, and I hope you guys like this video. So please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you guys get notified. I love you. Bye.